Oh, is this guy gonna throw up? That would be awesome. I haven't watched somebody just throw up on a street corner in a while. Alright, what's up guys? How's everybody doing? I'm just out running some errands on this beautiful Tuesday morning. It's almost chilly outside. It's 8:30 in the morning, roundabout. I didn't think I was going to be able to get over. That worked out kind of nicely. Alright, so now headed back the other direction. I don't really need to, but I guess I'm going to go a little bit out of the way and get some gas. I should still probably have about half a tank, but I like to keep it full because you just never know. So I like to put Chevron in it too, or like the good gases, you know. My motorcycle isn't operational right now because I was riding it too hard the last time I rode it. And I put some Arco gas in it, and now it runs like crap. And it's got a bad battery anyway, so I couldn't really ride it anyway. But yeah, I mean, I hit the throttle a couple of times and nothing happened. It just like bogged, and then it took off like a rocket ship. So I got to flush out the whole damn fuel system because I put some cheap crap gas in it. And yeah, after I do that and renew my registration, I'll be able to ride my motorcycle again. So yeah, the moral of that story is don't put crap gas in your two-wheeled things. It's just not worth it. Just spend a little more money, you cheapskate. I mean, you got a motorcycle or a scooter anyway, you're probably getting better gas mileage than this guy. So, yeah, spend the extra few cents. Alright, we're gonna race this Fireblade, what do you say? You ready? As soon as that light turns green. Oh man, he just barely got me. Everybody's just getting out of my way. Mad respect for the Ruckus. Oh shoot. Doesn't look like I'm gonna get my favorite gas pump today. Oh well. We'll use this one instead. Oh, my gas light is on for the first time ever. I guess I was out of gas. Even with premium at $4.32 a gallon, I bet it still takes $5 or less, as long as I don't squirt any out. You gotta do it super slow, or it'll just come sloshing out all over the place. Alright, I guess that's... Let's see. Make sure we're super full. Alright, yeah. That's about all it'll take without overflowing. Let's see what the magic number is. 460. Yeah, I could have gone probably another 15 or 20 miles. Well, probably at least 10. Oh my goodness, what the hell is wrong with you? Pulling out. They looked right at me and then pulled right out in front of me. Man, people are just not smart. But they're a lot more important than I am, obviously. So let's all, if you see that white Kia Soul, you know, make sure you treat that person like they're extra special, because they clearly are. Oh, is this guy gonna throw up? That would be awesome. Oh yeah. I mean, I hope he's okay, but I haven't watched somebody just throw up on a street corner in a while. Hey, Scooter Bro. Hey, another Scooter Bro. I hope this guy's okay. Hey, he's working out. He's got his hand squeezer thing. He's probably just, you know, overexerted himself a little bit. Well, good for him for getting out there and doing that anyway. So, I guess that's today's ride, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And I sure look forward to seeing you again next time.